Okay, 5B. So the table shows that there was an increase of more than 1,000 hits compared to the previous month in March and in June. So which other months of 2018 besides March and June, if any, had an increase of more than 1,000 hits compared to the previous month? And they want you to justify your answer. So we're hunting for thousands here. So let's see. We don't have to include March. We don't have to include September, but let's see. So we can ignore February because it goes down. We already know March is one. We don't know about April. We don't know about May. We know June goes up because they told us. July goes down. August, we know from the last problem, is, where is it? Yeah, oh, it's this one here. 67.39. So September isn't going up. October goes down. November doesn't go up by 1,000. And December doesn't go up by 1,000. So we've really narrowed down the number of things that we have to test here. Well, we also know that August isn't one as well. So we can check for over here, what's going on over here. And one thing that you have to remember that I'm sure people may very well have gotten wrong is you have to check for January as well. Since we have these 3-month totals, we could figure out what happened in the December prior. Okay, so let's take a look. I think I'll wind up actually doing B on this page. So we could test January first. So we have February is 20. The 3-month total for February is 20,207, and we can subtract away 5,908, subtract away 7,847. That gives us a value of 6,452. So if we're going from 6,452 in the previous December to January with 7,847, I don't know if I just said that right. December was 6,452, January was 7,847. That's an increase of over 1,000. So we can say for sure January is one of those months. What else do we have to check? We don't have any values for April as of yet, but we can figure out May. So let's do that. Or we can use May to figure out April, and then we can just determine what we have here. So 18,744 minus 6,277 minus 7,384. That comes out to 5,083, which, yeah, 5,083 to 6,277 is definitely an increase of over 1,000. So May is a factor as well. And again, if March was 7,000 whatever, and this is 5,000, that's not happening either. So April we can eliminate at this point too. So January and May are the only ones outside of March and June that increase by 1,000.